Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So this video we're going to be doing my whole prep routine. My prep routine is pretty much the same as the one I posted a few months ago, but I'm just showing you guys it again because I know I don't show it too often. But what I'm doing now is going in with a cuticle pusher, and I'm just pushing the cuticles back off of my nail beds. It's very important to make sure that your cuticles are fully off of your nail beds because that is the main cause of lifting and your nails not lasting as long as they could. So cuticle removal is definitely important. What I'm going to do now is go in with a ballpoint drill bit, and I'm just drilling around lightly. This is on the slowest setting, and I'm just going around and really making sure to get those cuticles off of my nail beds. As I said before, cuticle work is definitely very important and is definitely a key in having nails last long. So now we're going to be doing more cuticle work. I'm going in with a different drill bit. This is kind of like, a pencil tip, I guess, drill bit, and just going in and truly making sure all of the cuticles are off of my nail beds. What you can also do is go in with a cuticle remover, and it's just kind of like a lotion that you can apply to your to the base of your nail beds, and it removes the cuticles naturally without doing any, snipping. I don't know about you guys, but that really gives me the heebie-jeebies, and I don't really let them do anything like that even when I went to the nail salon because it can cause irritation. So if you want to do it a natural way, definitely recommend getting cuticle remover. But as you can see here, I'm going in with a sanding band, and I am just removing all of the shine and debris off of my nails. And again, this is on the lowest setting possible. Alrighty, so now that that's all over, we're going to go in with a brush and just dust away all the debris. Now we're going to go in with some primer, and this primer I purchased off of Amazon. It is on my Amazon storefront, and it works for me. Actually this one is a nail dehydrator, and it was only $4.99, so it's very cheap, very effective, and I personally love it. I just go in with this and really make sure I'm hitting my cuticle areas and the whole rest of my nails. But the link to this, as always, will be down below in the description, as well as a link to my Amazon storefront with all of my favorites. After that, I'm going to go in with this Young Nails Protein Bond, and I'm going to apply that to my nails as well. Prep routines are different for everyone. What works for me might not work for you. And that's okay. So if you are finding that nails aren't lasting for you as long as they should, or you're getting lifting, or nails are even popping off, it's most likely 9 times out of 10 is going to come back to your prep routine. So you just want to make sure that you find one that works for you. This bond protein really works best for me, and I always recommend it because I noticed that after incorporating this in my routine, lifting, nails falling off, whatever the case may be, was non-existent. And that was even when I was switching around different products like my base coat or my dehydrator. Always using that protein bond has worked for me. So just a tip, it is linked below and in my Amazon storefront. But now I'm going to go in with a base coat, and this is by OPI. I did purchase this from TJ Maxx, surprisingly, which is like amazing because, you know, it's kind of hard to get your hands on OPI gel polish if you don't have a beauty license. So I was very shocked to see it in TJ Maxx, but they do sell a top coat and a base coat, and it's perfect. I love it. I love the brush applicator. It's very short, it's very small, which is perfect because, you know, base coat, most of the time I'm using it on my natural nails, and it's just perfect for me. So I definitely recommend it. I believe the duo of both the top and base coat was only $7, which is an amazing price. But now we're going to go in with some Coffin extra short full nail covers. I do sell these in my Etsy shop, and these are becoming one of my favorites. I am currently out of stock, but am restocking and will be doing pre-orders soon. So just check the link in the description down below. The pre-order link may be there, but if not, I do offer a variety of different shapes and sizes. I love soft gel full nail covers because they make shaping and the nail application process so much faster. If you have problems shaping and filing like I do, then I definitely recommend giving these a try. But all I'm doing now is going in and sizing them out to my nails and making sure that they fit wall to wall. For application, we're going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel, and this product is amazing. It's currently sold out. You guys love it so much, and it will be back soon. The pre-order link should be down below either today or tomorrow, but it will be back in stock in about 2 weeks, 1.5 to 2 weeks, and I'm going to be bringing it back in a bigger size. So more product. I really absolutely love this product. You guys, it's truly amazing, and it's a game changer. If you guys thought polygel and full nail covers was a quick application, look at this. Like, all you have to do is take a small size amount, and the texture is kind of like a putty or even like a Play-Doh. It's not like a slime, and it's not like droopy like polygel can be. It's more of a solid nail glue, and it's really like a putty texture, and it's amazing. All you do is take a small amount, and the more you do it, you kind of get the hang of how much you should be putting in your full nail cover, and then you just apply it and cure. Very simple, very effective, and very easy. I easily get 2+ weeks out of this. I'm looking at my nails currently. They are grown out a little bit, but I've had these nails on for 2 weeks now, and they're only coming off because I want them to come off. So if you like your nails lasting, you know, some people like their nails to last for a good month. This is definitely the product and the prep routine that I recommend, because my nails still look amazing, and it's been 2 weeks. There's not one nail that's lifted, not one nail has chipped, and it looks beautiful. So I definitely, you know, recommend trying this product out. As I said, the pre-order link should be down below in the description. But all I'm doing now is going in with an 80 grit nail file and filing my nails. As I stated before, you know, full nail covers, they do all the shaping for you, so there's not too much filing with this step. But I definitely do recommend investing in 80 grit nail files because they are truly a game changer. These are linked down below in my Amazon, the ones I use, and definitely recommend giving them a try. For gel polish today, I went back and forth. I didn't know if I wanted to do baby blue. I didn't know if I wanted to do a bright neon like yellow. I ended up being basic as always, and I just did white. But you know what? It seems like you guys really love like more simplistic short style nails. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, even though it's, you know, very basic. But all I'm doing is going in and applying this white nail polish. This gel polish is from Beetles, and I do like it. You know, white polishes are hard to come by, but as you can see, this is super thick, super opaque. So you really only needed one coat, but I did go ahead and do 2 coats of this white gel polish. And I love it. Definitely recommend it, and I will have a link to this gel polish down below as well. Most of my nail products do come from Amazon, just to be, you know, completely open and honest. I do have an Amazon storefront, where I list all of my favorite products, and this is definitely one of them. I would never put something on there that I never use and that I don't recommend and have tried before. So just keep that in mind. Everything is like, some stuff I do get sent to me for free, but a lot of the stuff, I pay for on my own. And I'm gonna return it if I don't like it and it's not going on there. So just know that if it's on my Amazon storefront, it's a good product and I definitely recommend it. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with that top coat that I mentioned that I did get from TJ Maxx. If you have a local TJ Maxx, definitely recommend, probably even Marshall's too, stopping by and checking it out, because $7.99 or $6.99 for a top and base coat by OPI is a very good deal. So definitely recommend snagging that. I did even go ahead and get an additional base coat because I do run through base coat kind of quickly, more so. Top coat, I'm sorry. I do run through top coats kind of quickly, so I did pick up an extra one as well. But yeah, I'm just going in with this top coat. I do like this top coat. Honestly, it's not my favorite though, I have to say. My favorite is the Model 1's top coat. I love this top coat. Let me not say it's not good. Like, it's a phenomenal top coat. But there's just something about that Model 1's top coat that is like just extremely different. I don't know. But all I'm doing is going in now with a alcohol pad and a lint-free wipe, and I'm wiping it down. With this top coat, you definitely have to wipe it down after curing because it does leave a little bit of a slimy texture behind, which isn't my favorite, but it's not a no-wipe top coat, so what do you expect? But I'm going to go in with my cuticle oils, and I'm using the scent Lavender today, one of my favorites. And I'm just going in and applying that to my cuticles. I do say it in every video, it does not matter how cute your nails are. If your cuticles are dry and crusty, the nails is not cute. So you want to make sure that you invest in a really good hydrating cuticle oil. Mine are made with all natural dried flowers and all natural ingredients, and there will be a link to them down below if you're interested. But here are the final results, guys. Super obsessed. It's a very simplistic, beautiful set. You can never go wrong with, a white set of nails. I love it so much, and I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. And for all of you guys that have been, rocking with me since day one, I appreciate you guys, and I love you so, so, so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you made it to the end, you're a real one. I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.